Joe, this is your 2020 Land Cruiser, and Dustin and I are going to show you a couple of the buttons here. So we're going to go ahead and if you take a look underneath the car, we got the rock lights are on because the door was just shut. Those would have turned off after about 20 seconds or so, or if you locked the car. All right, go ahead and turn on the front light bar. Actually, the front light bar is not going to work right now because the car is off, and that's wired that way specifically. The light car is on. Light bar. Hey, Brad or Ben, do you mind running over there and shut the lights off real quick so I can show light switch is over there by Bob's desk. I'm gonna leave it on for just a second real quick. We're gonna shut the lights off in here so you can kind of see how it lights up. Hey Dustin, he's gonna shut the lights off real quick, so leave it on for just a minute. As you can see, we got a couple cousins here. We got a Heritage Edition, and then another one next to yours. This is a 10,000 square foot showroom or service center with all the lights off, except for your car. Man, that looks good. All right, lights back on. All right, rear lights. Off. And then back on again. Boom. Nice. All right, what other kind of buttons we got in here? Trailer brake controller. Yep. What else we got on the Switch Pro? We got the twin air compressor. I'm gonna.
What are these right here? Power volume.
That is the radar detector. Yep. You mind hitting that compressor real quick? Just for a sec. Perfect. And then second battery. And then I'll show you the radar detector right there. And I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. aux battery, air compressor, rock lights, inverter, and front and rear light bar. Radar detector. And controls for it. And then power inverter. A couple extra USBs. Household outlets, two 12 volts, and then stock 12 volt ran to the crank battery. And I'll show you where the inverter is at back here. Yeah, kill that light for me. Blinding. You can go ahead and shut it off too. Fan for the inverter. And 1000 watt inverter. There you have it.